That's all it's not back because I want to
you feed them good.
Bambi look hungry. He look like my horse.
They don't eat people and meat. They eat fruit.
The next step is.
See, I knew he wanted something. He said, "What you got for
Do
me?"
y'all have the spider monkeys and the squirrel monkeys here?
Yeah.
The squirrels are smaller than them, right?
So what?
So that's what we had more, the squirrel monkeys.
Aww.
Also, she have a boyfriend, and she's 24 years old.
Oh.
We don't eat them here, okay?
Why?
You guys want to hold a guinea pig?
Y'all want to hold a guinea pig? Anybody want to hold a guinea pig? What they got? Oh, no, that ain't it. That's not a guinea. Oh, yes, it is. She said, oh, yes. Hi, little baby. I can't see. We can't see. You don't want it? Oh, no.
Right?
Can we get close to sleep, please?
Stay in the group, guys. Notice how you're going to get in the cage.
You want to hold it? No.
This is our baby here.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
You one of them ones we send your girlfriend.
Upgrade the sales so we separate her a little bit. If you're looking for the devil, you just meet him. Try to be on his bad side, on his good side, not his bad side, okay? Don't try to harass him. Don't try to do none of that. Because he can get bad. The tail, he use that for defense. Okay? He gets that around your neck, you're done. Okay?
He telling the story
nah. Best to leave him cool, man. Leave him cool.
Look,
We don't harass the animals.
Look, he say he telling stories on
He
me.
can show that tail out and grab me. I'll be like, yo, let me go, man. So what we gonna go through? This is the scar that my car. Jonathan Group. Jonathan Group. It to be touched, but you can hold it.
Okay,
Yeah. Scarlet Macaw.
let me hold him next to
Hey, hey, baby.
Be careful.
Oh, yo, you ain't around for me?
Doesn't like to be pet, so don't think about petting them.
I won't.
But you can hold them.
Okay.
Right, that's what I was saying before.
No? Daddy, you doing it?
Floyd?
Hey, buddy. Hey, honey.
You got it?
Right, he like,
Good boy.
he like,
I know.
That's Jerry.
he like, who got
He
some
say,
more?
what the rest of it?
Oh, no, he like, what my food at? He,
Let me sit on you and take a picture.
right.
Come on.
He like, who got my food?
They looking for the food.
The monkey who we mostly interact with is out. He's free.
Oh, that's the one that's out.
The smartest monkey we have in the park.
They over
Go over
here.
there and feed them, guys.
Oh, so these guys, they don't sit on your shoulder and all
Only
that.
Jerry does that. But Jerry does that. He's kind of full right now.
Other than that, they just looking for who got some food.
Jerry is the one who does it. Hey, Jerry. Be careful what you wish for.
No, I think he got on there before, so I know what it's like.
Oh, he got on
Y'all take a picture to shop with that? They gave it back to her.
You not in here?
Yeah, we got food. Head, shoulder, back.
Come on.
Oh, right. How you gonna get on? Oh, we got on Floyd. I want him to get on me. How you gonna get on me? He messing with me.
Put him up, go over there. Look over there.
Okay, sorry. Hey, baby boy. Hey, baby boy. Hey. Come on, baby.
Who else want him?
Come on.
Get over here, buddy.
I got him. Oh, he gone. Just like that.
If he don't come back down. No, no.
Come on, boy.
That's how I was.
Yeah, can I get
That's how I was at the day.
Come on. Here you go. Come on. There you go. I got some for you.
Yeah.
Not that big one.
He said no.
Thank you, Jonathan.